the role of physics in the history of science, I think, has been, it's played many different roles, but one that's very close to my heart and that's closely connected to the invention of science as a method for discovery in say around 1600 or so, is this idea of unification of phenomena, that we are able to describe more and more things with fewer and fewer ingredients. So the most dramatic example, I think, to this day of that was when Newton discovered a single law of gravitational attraction that explained both how the apple falls and how the planets move around the sun. It's hard maybe for us today to appreciate just how radical that was. This was at a time when people thought of the terrestrial and the celestial spheres as being fundamentally distinct things. And just the mere notion that you could come up with laws that cross between them with no effort at all and apply equally to both was mind-blowing. It was unbelievably radical revision of, humans' picture of what the world even is. It broke through that barrier and it unified, celestial and terrestrial phenomena. And a lot of the history of physics, at least the part that I always found particularly attractive, is sort of a story of sequences of these kinds of unifications.